Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in your Outlook address book. This is incredibly useful for keeping your contact information current, especially when phone numbers or email addresses change. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account if you haven't already. Give it a moment to load in all your emails and sync your data. This initial loading is important as it ensures all your information, including your contacts, is up to date. Once your email has fully loaded, look toward the bottom left part of your screen. You'll see a contacts menu represented by an icon that looks like two people. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your contacts section where all your saved contact information lives. Now that you're in the contacts menu, you'll need to access your full contact list. Look for the View selector at the top of the screen and click on it. From the options that appear, choose People. This view displays all your contacts in an organized format, making it easy to find who you're looking for. You'll now see a complete list of all your contacts displayed on your screen. To edit any contact, simply double-click on the name of the person whose information you want to update. This action opens the Contact Editor menu, which gives you full access to modify their details. In the Contact Editor menu, you'll see all the available fields you can edit. This includes their name, email addresses, phone numbers, job title, company, address, and any other relevant information. Take your time to update whatever needs changing. Simply click into each field and type in the new information. Once you've finished making all your updates, look to the top left part of your screen where you'll find the Save and Close button. Click on it to save all the changes you've made. This ensures that your updated contact information is retained and will be available the next time you need it. And that's it. You've successfully edited and updated your contact in Outlook's address book. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.